In this video, you'll learn how to host a lovable website on GoDaddy in just a few minutes, so you can connect your custom domain and share your project with the world. First, go to lovable.dv and open the project you want to publish. Make sure your website is fully ready, with all pages, designs, and content in place. Once you're happy, click the Publish button to make it live. Next, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. Find your domain in the list and click DNS to access the domain's DNS settings, where you'll connect it directly to your Lovable website. Now, in your Lovable dashboard, go to Domain Settings and copy the DNS records Lovable provides. These usually include an A record and a CNAME record pointing to Lovable's hosting infrastructure for your custom domain. After that, head back to GoDaddy's DNS settings page and add the records exactly as shown in Lovable. Update or create the A record and CNAME record, then save your changes to apply them to your domain. Once the DNS changes propagate, which can take from a few minutes to a few hours, your Lovable website will be live on your GoDaddy domain. Visit it in a browser to confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. Your Lovable website is now hosted on your GoDaddy domain, ready to impress the world.